Hello, this is Doug, WE6Z, and welcome to part 2 of building the 100-watt linear amplifier for 630 meters. I'm building it in a, I guess you'd call it Manhattan style. I'm using some regular copper clad board cut in small pieces and then glued to the board to provide a place to solder individual components. So moving forward here, I started on the power supply section, and right there you can see I have a 7812 voltage regulator for any of the 12 volt accessories using inside here, such as status LEDs, or if I need to put a fan for the heatsink. And moving on, the next thing I'm installing is the MOSFET switch here, and I believe that part number is SUM70101EL. It's more of a surface mount component where you can actually just solder it to the board rather than one that sticks up, because this will need to be heat sinked because it will be handling, 5-6 amps of current at 24 volts. Next step was winding the toroids. As you can see here, this is one of them, 13 microhenry inductor. It's wound on a T106-2 core and with whatever magnet wire that I had on hand. And here's a couple more pictures of the amplifier. The 3 inductors, one of them is, I believe, an input choke, and then 2 of them are in the filter circuit, and then one is an input matching transformer, I believe. So there's some more close pictures of those. They take a little while to wind, but seem to measure fine. And then I started soldering the output filter. You can see the 13 microhenry inductor right there, connected to the output jack. It has a WEMA capacitor 6800 to ground there. There's another resistor, and still using the pads so that you can solder things directly from that point to ground. And then I have the coax here for the input, and I'm going to put the input filter or the input matching transformer in the more in the top right here of the transmitter. And here's a closer picture of it. So this is update number 2, and definitely making progress. I have to make sure things are not too tight in there and fit everything onto this board. It's a little smaller than I would have liked, but it was the only size copper clad board that I had. So more pictures to come and updates in the future. Thanks, and have a good day.